teach you a very easy shoe for a 0 to 3 months. So I'm using 4 mm needle and wool. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, we will chain 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now skip 2, and in the third chain I will make 2 double crochet, 1 and second. Now make double crochet in 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this one is 9. Now I am here in the last. Now I will make 6 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now make 9 double crochet in all stitches, in 9 stitches. In the last I will tell you what to do. This pattern is very easy and very good for beginners. Now I am here. I have last chain, and I'll make 3 double crochet in the last chain. 3 double crochet. Now slip stitch in the last chain. Now chain 2, and in the first chain make half double crochet, in the next 2 half double crochet, and then make half double crochet in stitches. I will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 stitches half double crochet. Now in the 6 stitches I will make 2 half double crochet. Make 2 twice half double crochet 6 times. Now I completed my 6 2 times in 6 stitches, 2 half double crochet, so I got 12 half double crochet. Now again half double crochet in 9 stitches. This is the sole of my cute little boot for newborn to 3 months. Now I have 2 stitches. I will do 1 and 2 in same stitch again, and make in the second chain slip stitch. Now cut the yarn and slip stitch. Now I will change the color. In the back loop I insert the hook and make slip stitch and then chain 2. Now make half double crochet in the back loop all over, all across till to the end. Now chain 1, chain 1 and half double crochet in 12 stitches. One, two, three, 7, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now I will make decrease. One, two, now I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decreases. Now I am starting my half double crochet in 12 stitches. Now I made double crochet in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I will do treble crochet, skip 1, in the next make pull through from 2 loops, pull through from 2 loops. Now you have 2, again turn twice and skip 1, another 2, 2. Now you have 3, again turn twice, skip 1 and insert in the next. So you have 3, again skip 1, skip this one and insert in the next one. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook and pull the loop from all of it, chain 1. Now half double crochet, skip this one, skip the next and make half double crochet in the next one. So half double crochet in all stitches till end. And now your shoe is ready. Very easy method. See, like this. Now cut the yarn and make a slip stitch. Cut it. Now you have a very cute little boot for your baby. Very easy pattern. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in next video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.